With my new 10-watt laser, I wanted to show you how I went from blurry to best. As you can see, nothing was working, so I decided to do a focal test. The object that came with my laser was supposed to set the focal length, but it didn't. The focal test I used to test my laser focal length was a ramp test. This is how I have it set up. I used scrap wood to make a stack and then laid another piece at an angle to create a ramp. I used the laser cutting software Lightburn to draw a straight line. I ran the test by using my engraving settings. I took away some of the pieces to estimate the height of the ramp where my laser focal point was the sharpest. I used a micrometer to test the approximate thickness of the ramp height, and it turned out to be around 15.5. So this ramp test told me that my ideal focal length was around 15, and this is where the line is the sharpest. More testing, and I added air assist. So here you see that my focal length is at 15 millimeters, the fill is at 1100, 40% power, the line is 230 speed, 85% power with 2 passes, and air assist is on, and it's almost all the way cut through. I adjusted the focal length to 15.6 millimeters. I left the fill the same, and the line I bumped the power up to 90. At these settings, I was able to get a nice cut without too much charring. Hope this helps you on your laser journey. Thanks for tuning in. Bye for now.